Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Leos for the month of September 2020. This reading includes a reading for all the 4 weeks of September. So let's see what cards have to say. Well, Leos, this is your energy for the month, that is 7 of Cups. This is the card which shows that you will get a lot of opportunities this month. You will have a lot of new things coming up, and though you have to be a little careful in choosing the things, please make sure whatever you choose is best for you, because a few things might see something else, and when you actually grab it or take it, they might appear to be something else. So you have to be a little careful in choosing things, and you have to be quick in choosing things, because these are not going to last for very long. So the sooner it is, better are the chances of getting the result, or the being happy for the products or relationships or people whomsoever you get in your life to be. Anyways, so moving towards your first week of September, that is the Queen of Cups reversed, 8 of Cups reversed, and 10 of Swords. So your first week of September here shows me that in the recent past you were going through some kind of a painful situation, something which was not good, something which was giving you a lot of sadness, and somehow emotionally you were very, very disturbed. You were not happy at the place where you were. So first week of September, I think I don't see a major change, but yes, the things have it is not going to get worse, because this will be the end of your suffering and whatever the pain or sadness you had. So things will definitely start improving in a better way. So the first week of September could, the healing can start in a positive way here. So before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. The second week of September here shows the 7 of Swords, 9 of Swords, and 10 of Pentacles. So I think maybe you have to be a little careful with your health in September, mentally and physically both. Whatever bad was happening in your life was so much impactful that it will not be a one day thing to get over it. So it can give you little bit of stress, though in the second week that painful situation will not be there, but there will be dreams about it. There could be you might be a little scared of your past, and it might be difficult for you to cope up with that, because that person or that situation, whatever was there in the past, I think that thing has cheated you. You never expected something from someone or a particular situation, but that thing turned out to be what you did not expect. So I think that could be the reason for sadness and pain in the second week, your past emotions, your past memories. But your family is really going to help you out with overcoming these things. You will have a good time with your family also. They will try to help you in every way they can. So it is going to be a good time with the family, but yes, emotionally it can be a little difficult for you. Moving towards the third week, that is the King of Swords reversed, the Chariot, and Knight of Swords reversed. So you have a lot of swords this month, and it's the same thing as I said, because the past was so painful. So it is not the matter of a day or two that things are going to go away and vanish from your life. The thoughts are going to remain, and the after effect is going to remain. Basically, even by the third week, you might feel a little unstable. You might feel that whatever power, position, whatever good things which were there earlier are no more there, and you need to build up something. So there will be a sense of responsibility also. You would want to do something for yourself. Things will start improving. You will start moving forward in a positive direction, and with little bit of instability, whatever is the after effect of that painful incident, you will start moving in a positive direction here. Moving towards your fourth week, that is the Two of Wands reverse, the Sun and the Four of Wands. So here basically, I think whatever the situation here is, whatever the negative thing was there in the past, I think it is related to a relationship. That is what is coming to my mind. So by the end of even at the by the end of the September or the last week of September, you would not think or plan for a long term goal. You will not plan for a long term relationship. You cannot think of doing something which is going to last forever. But whatever things will be, now you will be thinking about the present and very short term goals, and that is what you would want to achieve at that particular time, and that will somehow give you happiness, and that will somehow going to give you contentment, and you will be, by the end of this September, I believe you are going to be a lot more a changed person, and change here I mean in a positive way. So that is about it, Leo. Still, if you have any doubt, if you want to go for a personal reading, please write in the comment box. We also do the daily readings. For that, you can follow us on Instagram. And yeah, that is about it. Thank you.